Some people say AI will change everything. Cure diseases. Solve climate change. Write better songs than Taylor Swift. Others say it's all smoke and mirrors. Just a lot of hype and pattern matching. But the real questions go deeper. Can machines actually think? And what does it even mean to think in the first place? Are we headed for utopia or dystopia? Or something way more complicated? Next session, dive into the reality behind the hype. Build your own AI assistant. Crack the code of machine intelligence. Tackle the questions keeping our world's leaders up at night. Should AI diagnose your diseases? Help judges make decisions? Replace your favorite artists? Connect the technology of the modern age to ancient philosophical questions. From Socrates, Nietzsche, Kant, and push the boundaries while questioning the limits between enhancing human potential and losing what makes us human. Because in a world of artificial intelligence, we need real thinking more than ever. Mind over machine. The future's coming. Let's figure out what it actually holds.